is almost look like an angle and the cross parking. Okay, 90 degrees, that's this way straight. Parallel parking is this way. Means you have to go and put your car as this way or as this way, whatever it is. Means actually what happens, you will enter and park into the upper one. But this is the topic I will teach you in some other class. But for now I am teaching you only the 45. Okay. The road of 45, most are like going. Okay. The end of this is the line. If in example my car is here, how you supposed to put the parking? If you're going for this parking, so this is our left line and this is our right line. If you're going for this parking, so this is our left and this will be our right. Understand? But if I want to go for this parking, so this is our left and this is our right. Okay? If you're going for this parking, example, this is my car. If you're going for this parking, if you get up and see, like this little get up and see, you will see this left line into the center of this car area. Wiper near, but center. Mark there. Remove your
okay,
show you there. In center of the mark somewhere you will see here. Understand?
Yes.
Then bring it here. Then you will see it here. But if you see in a sitting position, so the mark will be somewhere here where the duster it is. Somewhere here can. It will be little twist, moves to the right side.
Okay.
The duster.
Okay.
If you see in a sitting position, means you touch your back to the seat and try to see the left line. So you will see almost a bit right, not in center. But if you sit as a sitting position, standing way, but look like a get up and see the line. So this line you will be seeing into the center. When that line comes there, move and turn full 1 turn right, not full turn right. One full turn right.
1 full turn right.
1 turn full. Not like I said you one, you take it this way. I said you one, again this way. I said you one, you're doing this way. No. Completely. Once you start turning, it will be goes non-stop.
Okay.
Understand? It should goes as non-stop. So this is the point way how to put the parking. If example there is a car, according to the car, if there is no car, there is no line, park anywhere. Just take a 1 turn, cross your car and return the 1 turn and stop the car. And when you're going to put the parking, I will make my parking a little bigger so you can understand according to the car. If example, this is my street and this is my parking limit. Understand?
Yes.
If I want to go for this parking, what will happen? I will turn 1 turn right, then I will start focusing on this side line that my car is almost getting straight by it or no. If it is not straight, I will not return quickly. I will let it go more right. When it becomes straight, I will start returning a 1 turn according to the same speed how you're going. You're going faster, we will return the 1 turn back faster. If you're going slow, you will return the turn back slowly and go front. And what the limit you should get stopped. You should see the interblock line or the line.
Okay.
Interblocks, this is the line now. There is a blocks.
Yes.
Black and white blocks.
Yeah.
This interblocks you will see into the corner of the left big
This-
windscreen. Yeah.
From
By getting up and see. You can see?
Oh, okay, here.
That's the way. By get up and see, you can see the line.
Okay.
Means the blocks.
Okay.
Don't finish the blocks. Only finish the road. This means this parking area, finish it. Just see the blocks. This parking area, this of the road, finish it. Just see the block.
Just see the
If
block.
you see the block, means
Stop.
your right side car face is safe.
Oh, okay.
If you finish the block seeing into the big windscreen, means your car right side face is hit through the block.
Yes.
Like this condition it will look like.
Okay.
But if you can see it, means your car face is far from the right side. Because car is not straight. If the car is straight, so it will be equal from the both side. But the car is in a cross position, so one face is higher and one face is down. So you're supposed to check which side you have to go as that way. Understand? For the 45, you have to see in the front one. Then only you should get stopped. That's your limit, how much you should go front and how much you should stop behind. This is the entrance, you should go for it. Now I will tell you the exit, so I will change the color of the marker. If this is my car, I need to take exit. What you're supposed to do? You're supposed to see what T end, this line, means this one. This line you're supposed to see.
Yes.
Because when we are putting this line, lengthwise, when we are taking out, so the widthwise, show the line into a triangle there.
Oh yes. Triangle.
Show there. Rotate your camera there. Camera rotate. Show the parking.
Wait.
End of the line of the parking.
Okay.
Yeah.
Yeah.
This line is the you have to see. This line. This line you have to see as the end one for taking exit. This line. Far one, no problem. Make a one length of the line. For putting, you need to see this line. Okay. So this line means you're taking exit. You're supposed to see this line into the triangle. Here, wait, I will mark.
Oh, so there's a.
Before this, at least. And the line will be coming from here. Let it be go and until it doesn't come almost in this area.
Okay.
Till that you need to go straight back.
Okay.
Maybe it can come here somewhere near somewhere here it comes.
Okay.
Till that comes, let it be go continuously go straight. Understand?
Yes.
Till that continuously go straight, and then see continuously go straight. When the line comes almost here,
Triangle.
then go and turn full turn right.
Turn right.
So the car will take exit as this way. But instead of seeing the line, now I'm telling you again one thing. Instead of seeing the line, you need to check the cars also.
Yes.
Okay? Nowhere checking into the right mirror or anywhere left mirror. But if example, one car is coming from here and it's going. Maybe he's parking to your side parking. So maybe he's stopping here behind you. So you must check the left mirror before moving. First triangle, car is coming or not coming. Then look into the left mirror that he passed through or not. So if it is clear from your behind, then only you will move your car. Otherwise you will hit that guy.
So full turn right.
And then see the line and take a full turn right. And after taking a full turn right, what you're supposed to do, like this line comes, go and turn full turn right. Start looking to the right mirror, middle mirror, left mirror, right mirror. You're outside of the parking or not. Middle mirror, behind me, the car is coming faster or not. Left mirror, are you going to cross that line or you're inside your road limit? Means your track limit, not another track limit. Middle mirror, definitely again, to recheck someone came closer to me or not, faster or something, so you can awake them by putting a horn or something. Then apply what? D first, which I always tell you in the yard training. Apply D first, then return 2 turns, straight your tire because we took full turn right. Return 2 turns back, tire straight, move and close the double indicator. This will be the step of 45 degree for exit. But if in case, this is stone area. I make you to do a parking next to this stone.
So you cannot see the line.
So you cannot see the line. I make you to do a parking here. So see the previous parking. You see
Yes.
what? That black and white stone where the grasses are there.
Yes.
Understand?
Yeah.
Don't
So
see the
the
black and white, black and yellow stone. See that black and white stone where the car is going to come. See
Yes.
that stone area where the car comes. See that stone area is same like our length of the parking. Means this far away stone is same our length of the parking. If you cannot see your parking line or the stone, so see the far away one parking line or the stone and take exit according to that way. Clear? Any doubt, any question you are having regarding this?
So this signal,
Signal we will put for going reverse.
Okay.
Means when we are going reverse, put reverse, handbrake down, put double indicator and look to the triangle. Now see this car went, look into the left mirror.
Okay.
That he passed through or not through.
Okay.
Understand? So this is the way you're supposed to put parking and take exit. So now you're clear with this parking. Any question, any doubt you're having? Inside putting 1 turn. Exit full turn.
Full turn.
Okay? And then put D, return to, move and close the double indicator.
So
Hazard.
still, when I reach out straight, still need to put the
Double indicator will be there.
Oh, okay.
Means from there, from here you're coming out, turning. First D. Double indicator is there from there only because we are coming from reverse, handbrake down, double indicator.
Yes.
So reverse, it's already there everything. Then moving, first D, return to, move and then close double indicator. That will be step 1.
Okay.
Clear?
Yes, clear.
Yalla, so stop the recording.